beautiful Hawaii is.
That's nice, but where's the birds at?
What do you mean?
The Hawaiian birds, you know.
Wait, do you mean this bird right here?
Yeah, but what bird is that?
This is the i'iwi bird. It is currently endangered.
Endangered? Why?
It's endangered because of this guy.
A mosquito? How?
It bites onto the legs of the bird or even its skin if it can reach and spread diseases. Sometimes the bites can cause a tumor so large that it kills off the bird.
Is there any way to stop it?
Yeah, there is. If you see any stagnant water, like water in a bucket, just dump it out so that the mosquitoes do not get attracted to the water and breed in it so that it doesn't kill off our Hawaiian native birds anymore.
To think about it, I'll start doing that to help the i'iwi bird.
Great, that's a really good idea.
Oh, what did the video say again?
Get rid of stagnant water.
Oh, right.